for Governor Bill Lee of Tennessee and those who support school choice. The Tennessee Supreme Court approved the governor's school voucher program, and this is for Shelby and Davidson counties only.
And Joe, the program gives families public money to send their children to private schools. So what does this mean for students in the Memphis area?
Action News 5's Joyce Peterson joins us now live with some answers. Joyce?
Joe and Joy, the state legislature passed the Education Savings Account Act in 2019. Davidson and Shelby County government sued immediately, saying the school voucher program violated the state constitution's home rule provision because it only applies to Nashville Metro and Memphis Shelby County schools. Well, a trial court and appellate court ruled in their favor, but today the Tennessee Supreme Court overturned those decisions. Tennessee's Education Savings Account program allows low-income families in Memphis and Shelby County to use taxpayer money to give their child a private education.
They will get scholarships with as much as $7,000 or $8,000 a year to now go to the school of their choice that will accept them, and that includes private schools. So it's really a thrilling opportunity for these parents and students.
I was very disappointed.
Memphis Shelby County School Board Chair Michelle Robinson McKissick has serious concerns about ESA pulling money away from MSCS, the state's largest public school system.
I just don't believe that public taxpayer dollars should be going to pay for someone else's private school education. And at what point did we decide that we're not going to do all that we can to educate all of the children?
Shelby and Davidson County government sued to stop the school voucher program, saying it violated the state constitution's home rule provision by targeting Memphis and Nashville schools without their say or consent. Lower courts agreed, but in a 3-2 decision, the Tennessee Supreme Court disagreed, saying home rule doesn't apply to county school boards. The ESA program is the centerpiece of Governor Lee's 2019 legislative agenda. In a statement, Lee said, every child deserves a high-quality education, and today's Tennessee Supreme Court opinion on ESAs puts parents in Memphis and Nashville one step closer to finding the best educational fit for their children. But the governor's plan to offer school choice now divides those committed to improving education in the state.
When you have more collective money, you can do more good for more students that are within the school district.
It's a wonderful program and a wonderful opportunity for these students, and I'm just thrilled that they're finally going to get the opportunity that they deserve.
So there's no word tonight when the ESA program will start. Senator Kelsey said 3 months. But the Tennessee Supreme Court kicked the lawsuit back to the lower court to handle some other issues. Chairwoman McKissick telling me tonight the fight is not over. Live in studio, I'm Joyce Peterson, Action News 5.
And in response to the ruling, Tennessee's Attorney General Herbert Slattery issued this statement saying in part, quote, the Education Savings Account program has always been about helping Tennessee students, giving eligible families a choice in education, an opportunity they currently do not have. It challenged the status quo, a move that is always met with resistance. We applaud the court's decision that this pilot program is indeed constitutional, end quote.